Alright, let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. First impression, the box feels premium and sleek. Let's open it up. I'm genuinely excited for this one. Right on top, the tablet in this gorgeous gray finish. It feels surprisingly lightweight but solid in my hands. Underneath, we get the S Pen. Love that it's included. There's also a USB-C cable and some paperwork. No charger in the box, just a heads up. Let's peel off the protective film. So satisfying. Wow, look at this 10.9-inch display. Super vivid. The bezels are thin, making it feel modern and immersive. Let's power it on for the first time. Boots up quickly. Exynos 1380 processor at work. Setup was smooth and the interface feels snappy. Let's check out the display brightness. Vision booster auto-adjusts to my room lighting. Streaming a video. Colors are punchy, details are sharp. Scrolling through social media is buttery smooth. Reading an article in bed? Super easy on the eyes. Let's test the S Pen. Magnetically attaches to the side. Feels natural, almost like writing on real paper. Taking notes in Samsung Notes is seamless. Sketching is precise, no lag at all. Let's try the math feature. Solves equations instantly. Handwriting recognition is impressively accurate. Now, let's talk about performance. With 6GB RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Split screen with YouTube and Notes, no stutter. Apps open fast, switching between them feels effortless. Storage? This one's got 128GB built in. You can expand up to 2TB with microSD. So, no worries about running out of space. Let's check the battery life claims. I streamed videos for hours. Still plenty of juice left. Samsung says up to 16 hours, and it feels legit. Need a quick top-up? Super fast charging is clutch. Remember, the charger's sold separately. Let's dive into the AI features. Circle to search is wild. Just draw a circle, get answers. Translate text instantly right from the screen. Clean up messy notes with a tap. So helpful. There's an AI hotkey on the keyboard. Tap it, and your AI assistant is ready to help. Schedule meetings, search the web. Super convenient. SmartThings integration is a game changer. Control all your connected devices from the tablet. Turn off lights, adjust the thermostat. Never leave the couch. All your Galaxy devices sync together seamlessly. Start a note here, finish it on your phone. Even answer calls right from the Tab S10 Lite. The build quality feels sturdy, yet stylish. The gray color looks professional and modern. Speakers are loud and clear, great for movies. Cameras are decent for video calls and quick snaps. Fingerprint unlock is fast and reliable. Let's talk about who this is for. Students, note-taking and multitasking are a breeze. Creative pros, sketch, draw, and edit on the go. Tech enthusiasts, you'll love the AI features. If you want a tablet that does it all, this is it. It's not just for fun, it's a productivity powerhouse. But if you need a charger, remember to buy one. Also, some features require Samsung apps. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with the S10 Lite. The display, S Pen, and battery stand out most. AI tools make everyday tasks so much easier. If you're thinking about upgrading, check this out. I'd recommend it for school, work, or just relaxing. Ready to level up your tablet game? Hit the link below to grab your Galaxy Tab S10 Lite.